Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am here for another Dollar Tree DIY. So, I fell in love with this pantry on Pinterest. So, I wanted to go ahead and recreate a very clean and organized pantry similar to this. So, I'm going to share with you guys how I recreated my pantry using items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So in order to not overwhelm myself with this project, I just started with one shelf at a time. So I went ahead and vacuumed everything up, all the crumbs and randomness that collects on the shelves. So I vacuumed it up and then I went in with my Mrs. Meyer's spray and just wiped everything down. And what I ended up picking up from the Dollar Tree are these like wire baskets. So I picked up about 8 different baskets, and what I wanted out of my pantry is to actually see what we have in the cupboards. So I'm putting Scarlett's applesauce pouches in one of the baskets. So our top shelf is going to be for like the kids' breakfast stuff, but I just wanted everything to be visible to the eye. So whenever my mom watches the kids or Chris's parents or if Chris is on his own, he has a visual of where everything's at. So, when meal times come and things get hectic, I wanted to have baskets to where everything was visible. So this is really funny. Chris and I have his and hers of peanut butter. So on the left, I have creamy, and on the right, we have chunky. So comment below what type of peanut butter you guys prefer. And then I also just have a basket in here for our oatmeal. So Chris and I both eat oatmeal in the morning time. And then this red bin is all of Tanner's baby food. So it's bright red so that anyone can pick out Tanner's food. And I actually went in the cupboard and I threw out all of the candy. Yes, I threw out all the suckers, all of the gummy bears, all of the sugar. I threw it away. Went ahead and replaced all of the fruit snacks in my house with these Smart Sweets. So I went ahead and just added to the donation pile all of our Welch's fruit snacks. So I'm going to take this to our church's food pantry so I know that they're going to go to good use. But I went ahead and replaced all the gummies with Smart Sweets. If you guys want to check them out, I have a link below and a code that's going to get you guys free shipping. So the Smart Sweets are 3 grams of sugar per bag, tons of fiber. I absolutely love them. And then I also used one of the wire baskets to go ahead and add in all of our cereal bars and Fiber One bars. So I have one container where the kids can just come in here and pick one bar. I try to limit them to just one granola bar a day. I'm not going to completely, get them off carbohydrates and sugar, but I want to at least limit how much they have per day. If you are similar to me and if you have high anxiety, you would know that projects like this are really helpful in times of high anxiety because organizing things and getting things put more in a place just eases my anxiety while I'm doing the project, but also when I open the cupboard and when I'm trying to, get everyone fed, it makes things a lot less stressful when everything is organized, uniform, and I know where everything is at. So this took about $10 over at the Dollar Tree. It took me about an hour to organize everything. So this is the final look of my pantry, and I think that I did a pretty good job. So let me know in in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will continue to be making more Dollar Tree DIYs and Dollar Tree organizational hack videos for you guys. So hopefully this inspired you guys to get in your pantry and start organizing. And again, I'll have a link to Smart Sweets. Use the code and you're going to get free shipping. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you subscribe to my blog, GinaSchweppe.com, and follow me on Instagram. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday with whatever you are doing. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.